Are you looking for the best beverage warmers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best beverage warmers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Maestri House Coffee Mug Warmer with Timer. The Maestri House Coffee Warmer lets you enjoy your drinks at the perfect temperature with 4 adjustable settings, so you can keep your coffee, tea, or milk just how you like it. You can set the warming time anywhere from 1 to 12 hours, giving you the freedom to heat your drink without worrying about turning it off. For safety and energy savings, it automatically shuts off after 4 hours of continuous use. Plus, its smart temperature control keeps your beverage warm without overheating, preserving the rich flavor and aroma for a pleasant sipping experience every time. What we like: multiple temperature settings, automatic shut-off timer, maintains beverage temperature, user-friendly controls, compact and stylish design. What we don't like: not ideal for insulated mugs. UL listing not confirmed. Number 2. KitchekShop Coffee Mug Warmer. Experience the KitchekShop Mug Warmer, a smart electric beverage warmer that boasts unparalleled heating speed and temperature settings. With 4 temperature options, you can customize your drink to perfection, whether you prefer a mild warmth or a steaming hot beverage. The auto shut-off feature ensures safety and energy conservation for up to 12 hours, making it ideal for work or leisure. Its ample heating panel accommodates various cup sizes, and it comes with a stylish coaster to elevate your coffee experience and make a perfect gift. What we like: multiple temperature settings, keeps drinks hot for hours, easy-to-use controls, auto shut-off timer, large heating surface. What we don't like: buttons initially confusing, not UL certified. Number 3. SWEETFULL Coffee Mug Warmer. The SWEETFULL Mug Warmer is a convenient and efficient way to keep your favorite beverages at the perfect temperature. With its updated 3 temperature settings, you can choose between 105 degrees Fahrenheit, 130 degrees Fahrenheit, and 180 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure your coffee, milk, tea, or even candle wax stays warm and enjoyable. The larger heating area of the cup warmer allows for quick heating of various cup sizes, and the 4-hour automatic shutdown feature provides added safety and peace of mind. The waterproof design not only makes it easy to clean in case of spills but also ensures faster and more uniform heating. This coffee mug warmer is the perfect gift for any occasion, allowing your loved ones to always enjoy their hot beverages at the ideal temperature. What we like: consistent drink temperature, works with most mugs, auto shut-off feature, multiple heat settings, large surface area. What we don't like: button easy to tap accidentally, large size for small desks. Number 4. Kepwam T2 Self-Heating Coffee Mug 16 ounces. The Kepwam T2 heated mug lets you enjoy your drinks at the perfect temperature with 3 easy settings: warm, hot, or extra hot. This means your coffee or tea stays just how you like it, whether you're at home or on the go. Its long-lasting battery can keep your drink warm for hours, especially when you use the lid, so you don't have to rush. Operating the mug is simple with just one button to switch temperatures and check battery life, making it very user-friendly. Plus, its sturdy ceramic and stainless steel design with double-wall insulation keeps your drink warm and feels comfortable to hold all day. What we like: long-lasting battery life, auto shut-off safety feature, easy to clean and use, wide temperature settings, attractive color options. What we don't like: lid may loosen over time, handle could be more comfortable. Number 5. PUSEE Mug Warmer. PUSEE Coffee Warmer offers 3 temperature settings to keep your beverage pleasantly warm. The auto power-off feature ensures safety and saves electricity when not in use. It fits most flat-bottomed mugs, making it convenient for various cup types. The high-tech and heat-resistant materials, along with the anti-scald silicone shell, provide safety and convenience. The cute feet of the warmer can also act as a phone stand, adding extra functionality to this gadget. What we like: long-lasting daily use, multiple temperature settings, automatic timer function, cute cat design, works for candles and mugs. What we don't like: limited mug/candle diameter, control button placement,